This video I will explain the difference between MCP and API. You may have heard two terms, API and MCP. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. Both help systems communicate, but both are not exactly the same. Many beginners get confused because both involve data sharing, communication, and connecting application. First, we will see what is an API. API stands for Application Programming Interface. An API allows one software application to communicate with another software application. You can think of an API like a waiter in a restaurant. Here is a simple example. You order food. The waiter takes the order to the kitchen. The kitchen prepares the food. The waiter brings the food back to you. In this example, you are the client. The kitchen is the server or system. The waiter is the API. The API carries a request and response between the systems. Now we will see real-life example of an API. Suppose you use a weather app on your phone. The weather app itself may not store weather data. Instead, the app sends a request to the Weather Service API. The API returns temperature, rain details, and wind information. Then the weather app shows the result to you. So the APIs help systems exchange information. What is MCP? MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. MCP is a communication standard specially designed for AI systems. MCP helps an AI model connect with tools, databases, applications, and external services. But MCP does more than simple communication. MCP also helps provide context, structured information, tool usage guidance. This process helps the AI systems work more intelligently with the external systems. Now we will see the restaurant example to compare MCP and API. API example. The waiter only carries order request and food response. Simple communication happens. MCP example. Now imagine a smarter assistant. The assistant already knows your food preferences, your allergies, your favorite dishes, your previous orders, your diet restrictions. The assistant also knows which kitchen tool to use, which chef should handle your request, what additional context matters. That is closer to how MCP works. MCP focuses more on AI understanding, context sharing, tool coordination. Main differences between MCP and API. First one, purpose. APIs are designed for general software communication. MCP is designed mainly for AI to tool communication. Second one, intelligence level. APIs usually just send and receive data. MCP helps AI understand which tool to use, what context is important, how communication should be structured. Third one, context awareness. APIs normally do not manage deep context automatically. Most API requests are independent. MCP is built around sharing meaningful context with the AI systems. This helps AI provide smarter responses. Suppose you ask, show my latest sales report. Using API, a developer manually creates API connection, authentication, data handling, and formatting logic. Then the application fetches the data. Using MCP, the AI system can understand your request, identify the correct tool, access structured context, communicate in a standard way. The process becomes more organized for AI-based systems. Does MCP replace APIs? No, this point is very important. MCP does not replace APIs. In many cases, MCP actually works on top of APIs. You can think about the relationship like this. APIs are the communication channels. MCP is a smart standard that helps AI to use those channels effectively. Now we will see the simple analogy. Imagine roads and GPS navigation. API is like the road itself. MCP is like a smart navigation system using those roads intelligently. The road still exists, but the navigation system helps guide the movement more intelligently. Where APIs are commonly used. APIs are everywhere. You can find APIs in mobile apps, websites, payment systems, banking apps, social media platforms, and cloud services. Where MCP is commonly used. MCP is especially useful in AI assistant, AI co-pilots, enterprise AI systems, AI coding tools, AI document search systems, and AI automation platforms. Why MCP is becoming important? Modern AI systems need more than simple data access. AI systems must understand context, use tools correctly, coordinate multiple systems, and handle structured communication. MCP helps to standardize this entire process. Now we will see the summary. An API is a general communication method between software systems. An MCP is a structured communication standard which is designed mainly for AI systems to work intelligently with tools and external systems. APIs mainly focus on sending requests and receiving responses. MCP mainly focuses on context sharing, tool interaction, AI coordination, and structured communication. Both are important, and in many cases, MCP works together with APIs instead of replacing them.